To test the pressure drop across a fuel injector, begin by disconnecting the electrical connector that goes to the fuel injector. Be careful not to break the connector, as they are plastic. Sometimes, as these connectors get older, they become brittle. Hook up a fuel pressure tester, as shown in the fuel pressure testing video. Install the red lead from the pulse tester onto the positive terminal of the battery or other positive battery source. Connect the black lead of the injector tester to a good ground connection. Locate the correct adapter for the fuel injector pulse tester for the injectors you're working on. Install onto the pulse tester and install the pulse tester onto the fuel injector. Select the correct number of pulses for the type of fuel injector you're testing. This tester has a choice of 1 pulse, 50 pulses, or 100 pulses. For this video, we have selected 50 pulses. Cycle the key until you have obtained the highest fuel pressure reading. Record your fuel pressure measurement on your lab sheet. This is your initial fuel pressure. This vehicle has approximately 39 psi fuel pressure. Now press the Activate Injector button. Once you press the button, the fuel injector will fire 50 times and our fuel pressure will drop. Now look at the fuel pressure on the pressure tester. Our fuel pressure is approximately 18 psi. Our fuel pressure dropped from 39 down to approximately 18 psi when the injector fired. We had a pressure decrease of 21 psi. Record this on your lab sheet. Disconnect the pulse tester and move it to the next fuel injector. Once you have the pulse tester hooked up to the next cylinder, cycle the key again to obtain your highest fuel pressure reading. Then perform the test in the same manner. Continue to test all of your injectors. The higher the fuel pressure drop, the greater the flow of the fuel injector. If any of your injectors have a significantly smaller fuel pressure drop, this can be a sign of a clogged fuel injector. Discuss your results with your supervisor. When you're done testing all of the cylinders, place the relief hose into a catch container and press the relief button on the fuel pressure tester. It's now safe to disconnect the fuel pressure tester and the injector pulse tester. Make sure you return all the tools to their proper place.